Hi, my name is Prabhanjan. I'm an architect with more than 2 decades of experience in the profession. I've been working in Dubai as director at RSP Architects for more than 14 years now. So the construction industry globally is booming. It's one of the what do you call it as the most promising industry amongst all. It's always there is work. There's always construction going on, whether it is buildings, whether it's interiors. And you can see, especially Asia has been the center of growth globally. There's a lot of work going on in China, India, Middle East. Dubai has been at forefront of leading the industry. Some of the best architecture and design you can find in the region. So I think overall, Asia and the Middle East is the future for construction industry. So the biggest challenge we face in our industry is there's a huge gap between what is taught at in our schools and universities and what is really required on the field. In schools, we tend to be a lot of theory, but we really don't understand what it takes, how are buildings put together, and what are the issues with quality, how to deliver a job, the business aspects of the industry in terms of how to get the cash flowing, how to deliver the job within the budget, and these are the things that are not taught in the university. So we usually find that the students coming out of university are not really industry ready, and that is the biggest challenge that our industry is facing since decades actually. So what happens is the onus is on the industry to actually train these people when they come out of the universities, but that takes a lot of effort. Now, sitting in my position, when I look at a new hire, I always tend to hire someone who has experience rather than someone who doesn't have experience. And definitely, someone coming out of university, I need to put in at least 2 to 3 years of effort to make him industry ready. And that is the biggest challenge we have in this in the industry. So one major mistake that students make when they're at the university is they really don't get interested in subjects which actually deal with real world situations. So topics like business practice, professional practice, building construction, civil engineering, these kind of topics which are actually more related to on-ground experience, students usually ignore. And they tend to go into more of design side where they look at wonderful pretty pictures and 3D softwares, but these are actually helpful in one aspect of design, but they really don't help you in real world situation. So given all these problems we are facing in the industry as far as experience is concerned, like I said, the onus falls on the industry to train these people to make them industry ready. And there are hardly any institutions out there who actually train students, not just students, but professionals from the industry to gear up for what is the next thing in the growth in construction industry. So this is the big gap that we find in the market in the region. And what we really need is institutions which can actually take on and train people in these skills to make them industry ready. So Avantech is being set up to train students and make them industry ready, to bridge the gap between the industry needs and what is actually being taught in the universities. And Avantech has been set up by professionals who have hands-on experience delivering big complex jobs. With solid experience they bring in, they are going to actually teach students how to put this thing together, right from design to tendering to execution to handover, and also the business aspects, project management aspects, contractual aspects. So it's going to be a holistic package which is going to make all the professionals very confident to face the new challenges that they're going to come in our industry going forward. So the construction industry is actually going very fast and transforming itself into a highly efficient delivery engine. To keep up with the changes in the industry and the business environment we are in, the professionals as well as students need to keep upskilling themselves. And this is where I would recommend this course to not just students of architecture or interior design or civil engineering, but any professional in the field who wants to upgrade and upskill, whether it is from the industry or from some other industry who wants to come into this industry and then deliver a good project at the end of the day with proficient skills. So this is where Avantech comes in, and I highly recommend this to the professionals and students.
Join Avantech Interior Construction course and emerge with confidence.